Hi, this is Nat Thompson. We're going to do a quick training on how to set up a system that keeps you reminded of tasks that are due to make sure they just don't slip through the cracks. So we're using Monday.com. And we're going to add a board for our exercise here. Just add new board, and we're going to call this to do. And we're just going to say that they're tasks that we need to do. So we'll create that board, and it'll use the template that Monday.com has to build out all of the columns. Um, some of the defaults here we have are what's the name of the task, who it's assigned to, what the status is, and a date column that we're going to change just a little bit to help us out. So we'll actually change this to be remind on. And what we're going to do is use that to help notify us when we want to receive reminders for our tasks. I'm going to go ahead and clean up just a little bit here to remove some of this extraneous information. But we'll keep these three tasks out here. Um, you could manually change this date to be whenever you want. So if I wanted to be reminded on the 19th, I could set that date out here. But what I'm going to show you is an automation that helps take care of that for you. So we'll go in here to our automate. We'll create a custom automation, and we're going to say when an item is created, then we're going to set the date. So we'll find the set date, and we'll set it to the remind on field, and that'll be set to today. But we don't want to get a reminder as soon as we enter an item, so we're going to then push that date, and we're going to push it out. Again, we'll select the remind on by 7 days. So we want to be reminded a week from now that this item is still outstanding. So we're going to go ahead and create that automation. And that basically just sets up our board so that when we add a new item, like item 4, um, our remind on date will get set and pushed out to the future. We'll just wait a moment and you'll see there we go. It's November, set to November 23rd, which is 7 days from now. But that doesn't do anything other than just set that remind on date. So we want to add another automation to notify us that we still have this outstanding. So we're going to create a new automation. When our date arrives, we're going to say when the remind on date arrives, and we're going to say what time of day we want that to happen. So let's just say 8 a.m. We could say when that date is arriving, up to however many days before it arrives, we could set that, but we're just going to do it on the day of. So when the remind on date arrives, then we're going to notify. You could do me. You could also do any assignees of the task that you have out there. I'm just going to do me, and you can edit your notification. And basically, this is letting you know that this item is due, and you should take an action on it. So I'm just going to say, hey, username, the item name, task name is due. Please follow up. Done. Um, then we want to push the due date or the remind on date out so that it doesn't again, if we decide not to take action on it, doesn't fall through the cracks. So we're going to then just do the push date again, select remind on, and we're going to push it another 7 days. So each week we'll get reminded of this item. But we also want to make sure we're not getting notified of items that we've already finished. So we're going to add a condition to this automation that says only if status is not set to done. So that way, anything we've completed, we won't get notifications of. So we're going to go ahead and create that automation. And now, when the 23rd arrives, if I haven't finished item 4, I'll be notified that it's still outstanding and the date will get pushed out to the 30th. So that's a quick overview of how to set up your own boards with automated reminders, your own personal robot assistant to keep you on track with things to get done. If you'd like to get a free trial of monday.com, see the link below. And if you'd like help on setting up your own instance of monday.com, reach out. I'll be happy to help.